Hey, 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 friends. Hello, Renee Carbone Fleming here. Okay, I need to talk to the women who are done doing all the things. You're posting, you're showing up, you're trying to do it the right way, but the money isn't consistent or non existent. And you start to wonder if it's you. Here's the truth, and I need you to hear this very, very clearly. Most network marketing and direct sales companies teach products and posting, but they do not teach execution. Let that land. They don't teach what to actually say in DMs, how to respond without sounding awkward, how to position yourself without copying everyone else, how to use AI without sounding like a robot, how to turn visibility into income. And the reason I'm creating this is simple. I've been in this space for a long time. I've built teams. I've coached women. I've watched smart, capable women quit, not because they weren't good enough, but because they were overthinking everything and executing nothing. I kept hearing the same thing over and over. Renee, I don't know what to say. Renee, can you look at this before I post it? Renee, I freeze when someone asks me about price. And I realized this isn't a motivation problem. This is an execution gap. So maybe you don't need another course. Maybe you don't need another mindset training. Maybe you don't need another believe harder speech. You need a place where you can say, here's what I'm stuck on. What do I do next? And that's exactly why I built this. I'm opening something brand new called the Brand to Income Execution Lab. This is not a course. This is not a mastermind. This is a live execution room. Twice a month, we meet live on Zoom. You can bring your content, DMs, your questions, your confusion, and we work through it in real time. We'll cover branding clarity, messaging that converts, what to say in conversations, how to stop sounding salesy, how to use AI to move faster without actually losing your voice. No fluff, no theory, no perfectionism. Now, this is for you if you're tired of guessing, you're done copying other people, you want to make money without feeling cringe, you don't want another program that just sits there. And let me be clear, this is not for everyone. This is not one-on-one coaching. This is not me answering all your DMs. This is for women who are ready to show up, ask real questions, and execute between calls. The investment is only $77 a month. That's it. 2 live Zooms, execution, clarity, momentum. If you're done letting confusion cost you more, far more than that every month, then this is your room. And I'm opening this with founding members round. So that means locked in pricing, smaller room, direct access to me live. And once this fills, I'm either going to raise the price, cap the room, or close it completely. I'm not building another massive container that drains me. Okay. This is intentional. And I want to be super clear about this. I have the crown room is all about big visibility and authority. The execution lab is about income and action. Different rooms, different purpose. If you want to stop overthinking and start converting, this is where you start. So here's what to do next. If this feels like a hell yes, comment execute or DM me the word execute, and I'll send you over the details. Okay. You either know you need execution or you're going to realize it later. Okay. But remember, you're not behind. You're not bad at this. You've just never been given a space to execute in real time. And that changes now.